Hi, this is Lee with Lord's Chimney, CSIA Certified Master Sweep number 49. Today we're talking about chimney caps. Chimney caps is a complex subject because there's so many different options. The first thing you need to know when picking a chimney cap is what type of fireplace do you have. If you have a manufactured metal fireplace, or some people call them prefabricated fireplaces, these are fireplaces that are made like a kit, and it may even look like a brick or a stone fireplace, but inside the walls, it's a metal box. But those fireplaces have to have the correct cap for the fireplace, or you can actually cause a fire hazard. The cap controls how much cool air goes through the venting system, and if you don't have enough, you can overheat the combustibles around the fireplace and actually have fires. If you have a masonry fireplace, you have more options. You can do lots of different types of metals: galvanized metal, stainless steel, copper. You can also do a lot of different varieties. You can do something called single flue cap, which is a small cap that just diverts the water onto the concrete at the top. You can do a more functional cap, which is a full coverage cap that even has drip edges, much like eaves on your house, so water runs away from the whole chimney. That's like an umbrella over the whole fireplace. These are the important things when thinking about a chimney cap, which is how long you're going to live there, how much money is this going to cost, and are you going to get value out of it. So when considering chimney caps, keep in mind, lots of different kinds of metal. You can powder coat them colors. You can get cheap ones at Home Depot that you'll have to replace every 2 to 3 years. And the chimney needs to be up to code before you install the chimney cap so that there's something to install the chimney cap to. I really appreciate it. Thank you.